Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're going to take a look at a Homelite. I believe this is a 2000 model. The sticker's gone on it, but I'm going to show you a few things on it, and I think we can determine that it's a 2000 model. Made in 1968, 7 cubic inch. It's got the rear guard there. You can go to the chainsaw collector's corner and you can kind of compare this to that saw on the site, and I think you can determine it's a 2000. Got a 48-inch bar and chain, roller nose, and a new chisel bit 404 skip tooth chain. And let me turn it around there. It's got that wrap handlebar. It does have an automatic and manual oiler. And it's got that large muffler. But do some comparison on the Chainsaw Collector's Corner site. Real great site, and I think you'll see that this is a 2000. If not, let me know. But it does run real well. Now we'll go outside and make a cut with it. It does have a compression release right over here too, a little wire bail.
Back at you. Oh, you got time.